Hello, year eight. I hope you're all well. So I always seem to begin by mentioning the weather. I do love a weather forecast. Now, last week, you may remember I urged you all to get outside into the sunshine. However, there wasn't any. And it rained all week, so I got that one a bit wrong. Now, this week, I feel quite confident in saying get out in the garden because I think there's going to be lots of sunshine. So wear some suntan cream and go and get yourself a dose of vitamin D. Now, on to today's assembly. I'm feeling a bit grumpy this week, year eight. I've received the fewest praise nominations so far throughout all of lockdown this week, and it got me to wondering why. And I'm really hoping it's got nothing to do with the release of Fortnite Season 3 last week, year eight. So just a little word, put the PS4 and the Xbox down and get some work done. Now let's talk about who has kept me smiling. And we will begin with history. And Mr. Finlay has nominated Abigail R. She consistently submits excellent work, which is a joy to read. A wonderful historian. Well done, Abigail. Now, Mr. Walker has nominated Isaac B, Jacob T, and Poppy N for their super history work. So well done. Now over to science, and Miss Milner has nominated Joe B, Abby R, Epine, Alex P, Molly S, Owen B, Cameron C, and Oliver H for their brilliant effort in science this week. So well done, everyone. Great job there. Just while we're talking about science, Dr. Robinson would like to remind you to please remember to check the home learning platform every week for new science tasks. And also check your emails. Your science teachers email every Monday. Please take a look and remember to return your work to your science teacher too. Okay, now over to music. Miss Smith would like to recognise and praise Epine for her band planning work. Well done, Epine. Miss Smith would also like to direct your attention to the Barnsley Music Hub YouTube channel. There's loads of online lessons there for a wide selection of interests. For a wide selection of instruments, which I'm sure will get your interest, year eight. So take a look at that. Now over to the IT department, and they would like to recognise Phoenix, LEW, Jake M, Abby R, and Epine for their super work. So well done. Now over in DT, Mr. Robertson says a big well done to Ethan R for his amazing garden project. He's created a fully landscaped garden with tiers and everything. I couldn't get the pictures to show you as the PowerPoint wouldn't let me, which is such a shame. But what I will say, Ethan, is I'm going to employ you because that's exactly what I need in my garden. So well done there. Also a huge well done to Alex P for completing all the DT challenges. Mr. Robertson says there's loads of challenges on the Netherwood platform for you to try year eight. There's all sorts from the Lego challenge, spaghetti challenge, planter challenge. Mr. Robertson says to forget the dates on there and the deadlines and just to give them a go. He's waiting to see what you can achieve. Now, over in food, Miss Allen says well done again to Lucas W. It's homemade curry for our weekly cooking instalment from Lucas. Lucas used a combination of flavours and spices to create his curry, which has been served with both rice and chips. When you can't decide, why not have both? Looks delicious. Well done, Lucas. Miss Allen would also like to say a huge well done to Alex P. We're going to talk about him more a little later on. Okay, now over in English, Miss Cooper says well done to Abigail R. Her work is absolutely fantastic. Well done, Abigail. I'd like to say well done to Cameron C, Molly S, and William S for their super English work too. Also well done to Lucas T for fantastic continuous effort every week and producing high quality ideas and analysis. So well done. Okay then, to our superstars for this week. And our superstars this week are Alex P and his mum. Now, their usual pre-lockdown Saturday would include a visit to their favourite cafe. However, they haven't let lockdown stop this treat and they've brought the cafe to them. Alex and his mum have spent their Saturdays making these amazing bakes. They've made fudge, cinnamon swirls, apple pies, rock cakes, Smartie cookies, and a showstopper cake. I am so impressed. Well done, the both of you. And I'd like to make a reservation at your cafe as well, please. Well done. And finally, I'd like to say well done and a special thanks to Jacob T, Isaac B, and Libby A for their fantastic Year 6 transition videos. Our new students will find your comments really, really helpful. So thank you for taking the time to do this. If any other year 8s would like to get on board with this, please feel free to create a short video, no more than 30 seconds, introducing yourself and sharing what you like best about Netherwood. Our new year 7s won't experience transition as you did when you were in year 6. So anything we can do to introduce them to Netherwood life and take away any worries that they may have would be really appreciated. If you do make a video, please email it directly to me. Thank you, year 8. I'm going to pass you now over to Mr. Colson for a short message.
Good morning, year 8. I hope you're all well. We have only got 3 weeks left of term, so keep up the good work. It's brilliant to see that we're getting so many nominations from staff still. Little task for you all though, if you haven't had a nomination from a staff member yet, then try and get one before we do finish this year. A big shout out for Ethan R, who sent us some pictures in his garden, which he's been doing with his dad. He's done a lovely job, and I'm looking forward to getting mine started in 6 week holidays. So if I do need some help, I know who to call now. But keep up the good work, Year 8. So proud of you all. Stay safe, look after yourselves, and look forward to seeing you all soon.
Thank you, Mr. Colson. Okay, last week I set you a challenge for a bit of fun. So firstly, well done to everyone who played along. I had so many emails, so thank you, Year 8. The winner for the email that made me laugh the loudest goes without doubt to Dom D. So thanks for that, Dom. You're hilarious. Now, lots of you had correct answers, which were, of course, 28 emails, and the answer to the riddle was an egg. But who was the fastest? Drum roll, please. And this week's winner is Ebony. So well done, Ebony. Great job there. Okay, this week's challenge is a little bit different, and its aim is to get you all off fortnight and for us to take on the Year 9s. Now, some of you may have heard there's been a few changes to the other year groups, and Mrs Headley is now the head of Year 9. You may have seen her assemblies on social media, but if you haven't, she's been encouraging Year 9 to take us on Year 8 and to beat us when it comes to submitting work and receiving praise nominations. Now, Year 8, they're all talking about us because you lot are smashing it. And as much as I love my friend, Mrs Headley, we can't let Year 9 take our title. So your challenge this week, as always, is to keep up with the fantastic work and receive as many assembly shout-outs as you can. But here's a little bit of a twist. I want you to choose a Year 8 friend who is yet to receive an assembly shout-out and make it your goal to get them a shout-out in next week's assembly. So how can you do that, I can hear you ask? Send them a message and ask them what they're up to. Tell them what work you're completing and encourage them to give it a go as well. Make sure that they're emailing the teachers and make sure that they're sending all the work back into the teachers. Just to give them some support. Now, once you've chosen your buddy, email me so I know that you're playing along with this week's challenge, and I also know who you're supporting. And then next week, I'll read out the names of the challenge winners. Remember, you're only going to win by making sure that both you and your Year 8 work buddy both receive shout-outs next Wednesday. So get on board with it, give yourself the extra challenge, help your friends out, and good luck. I hope you have a fantastic week, Year 8. Get out in the guaranteed sunshine this week and take care. See you again soon. Bye-bye.